See here, what is the angle of incidence of a ray if the reflected ray is at an angle of 90 degrees to the incident ray? What he is asking? The angle of incidence he is asking. Means angle of I he is asking. What is the angle of I? We know that angle of I equal to angle of R by the first law of reflection of loss. Here he given that, what he given here, the reflected ray, means the reflected ray is at an angle of 90, an angle of 90 to the incident ray. A reflected ray at an angle of 90 to reflect incident ray, means that he is given that angle of I plus angle of R equal to 90 degrees. Means the angle between these two lines, he given that 90 degrees. These two lines means what? Angle I and angle R. So angle I plus angle I R equal to 90 degrees. So from this we can find, we know that angle of I and angle of R is equal. So I am putting, instead of R, angle of I plus, this is also I am putting as the angle of I, that equal to 90 degrees. So angle I plus angle I means 2 angle I, that equal to 90 degrees. That means angle I equal to 90 degrees, 90 degrees by 2. Therefore, one time here 45 times. So angle of I equal to 45 degrees. From this we can say that what is the angle of incidence, instead of this incidence, what is the angle of reflection of a ray if the reflected ray is at an angle of 90 degrees to the incident ray? If I changes this question to what is the angle of reflected ray? In the reflected ray angle, what is the reflected ray? So angle I equal to angle R. So that equal to 45 degrees. Therefore angle I and angle R also equal by the first law. So therefore angle I is 45 means that angle R is also 45. Okay. These types of questions will come in competitive exams. Okay. Okay. Thank you.